how to fix Google Drive problem. So if you're facing a problem with your Google Drive, if it's lagging or if it's not working properly, then what you can do is first you need to open up your simply press the Windows button on your PC and go for your power button, and then you can go for restart. And once you go for restart and once you restart your device, now your problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go for your upper right corner, which has that three dots icon of your browser, and here you will have extensions, right? You can simply go for extensions and go for manage extensions. And here, if you have turned on your VPN, then you need to turn off the VPN. And once you turn off the VPN, now your problem might be fixed, because turning on the VPN might arise some issues. So now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can again go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and now you can go for clear browsing data. Click on that, and here you can go for clear data, and once you clear your data, your problems might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.